Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection, for example using the Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and choose My Apps and Games. Let's wait a second. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. So of course you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button, Update All. But I understand that, for example, you'd like to update only one of those apps or two of them. So all you have to do is simply find them in the list. Let me pick, for example, Gmail, and just tap on the update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is obviously downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.